Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, today we will look at merge sort. In case of merge sort, we divide the entire array into two halves. After that, we will divide that array into another two halves. So we are going to repeatedly divide the array into another halves till we get the atomic value. Once we get the atomic value, we are going to sort them based on the ascending order or descending order. Once we are done with the sorting of this, then we are going to combine this atomic value into one sub array. Then we are going to merge all the sub array into one sorted array. Like this, in case of merge sort, we divide it into atomic values, and after that we are going to sort and put them into a proper value, that is called as merge sort array value. I've defined a class called as Java program class, which is merge sort. In that, I've defined a function called as sort function, merge function. Inside that, I've taken the three values, that is array value, then low and high. These all are taken to be integer value. Once we are done with this one, we are going to calculate the value of n variable, which is what we are going to calculate the midpoint value variable. So for that, we are going to check the n value. If n is less than equal to 1, we are going to return the value of n. If not, then we are going to calculate the value of mid. Mid would be low plus n by 2. So we are going to have the midpoint of the entire values of the array. Once we are done, we are going to recursively sort the array using the function sort, in which we are going to pass the parameter a, comma low, and then mid. And after that, we are going to sort it using sort a, comma mid, comma high. So in case of merge sort, we are going to sort it recursively till we get a proper value at its proper position. Now we are going to look at merging two sub-sorted arrays. So for that, I have written temp equal to new int n. So we are going to transfer the value of n, that is we have taken the value of n from the user and we have calculated it as to be greater than 1. Then we are going to transfer it to mid. Then we are going to write I equal to low and j equal to high. When we will go for the for loop condition, which is for int equal to k equal to 0, k less than n. Okay, like this we are going to check the values. Once we are done with this, we are going to check the value of I, j and k. So we are going to check with the if condition. If I equal to mid, we are going to transfer the value of a, j plus plus to the temp variable. Hence I write down if I equal to mid, then we are going to transfer a, j plus plus equal to value transferred to the temp k. If not, else if j equal to high, then we are going to transfer the value of k plus plus. So hence we write down temp k equal to a of I plus plus. Okay, so we have temp k equal to a I plus plus. Like this we are going to increment the value of I. If not, we are going to check if a of j is less than a of j plus 1, or in other words I can say we are going to check if a of j is less than a of I. If so, we are going to transfer the value of a of I plus plus, or we can say a of j plus plus to the temp k. Like this we are going to check the values of transformation, that is temp k equal to a j plus plus. So a j plus plus value is transferred to temp of k. If not, then the last condition will be remaining is temp k equal to a I plus plus, that is a of I plus plus value will be transferred to temp k. Like this we are going to transfer the value of each and individual element, that is we are going to divide it into two half, into another two half, and then two half, and then we are going to take this value into a proper sorted array. So we have for int k equal to 0, k less than n, k plus plus. If so, then we are going to check a of low plus k. Okay, so you must remember the value of low. If low is 0, then we are going to take the value of k. Okay, so a low plus k value will be taken from temp of k. So the temp of k value will be transferred to a low plus k. Like this, these values will be transferred recursively. Now we are going to define the main method. In main method, we are going to call the object of the scanner class by writing scanner scan equal to new scanner system.in. Then we are going to create the array for taking the user's values. So we write down accept the number of elements, enter the number of elements. Okay, so we can take the number of elements, then we create the array from that element using int arr of I equal to new int n. So we have write int arr array equal to new int n. So like this we are going to take the value from the user. Once we have done with this one of the taking the values from the user elements into the array, then we are going to recursively call the merge function, or we can say we are recursively going to call the sort function. Once this is done, we are going to just display this value by sorting the elements into two halves and another halves. Like this we are going to divide the values into another halves and sorted halves. That is, we are going to have the array into two halves which are unsorted. After that we are going to combine them into one sorted array. Like this, using the main method, we are going to have the elements into the array, then we are going to take the values from the user into the elements of the array. After that is done, we are going to call the merge function, and once this is called, then we are going to sort the arrays till we are going to divide into atomic values. Once these atomic values are reached up, then we are going to combine them into one single sorted array. So in case of merge sort, what we have is dividing the given array into atomic values, then arranging them into ascending order or descending order. Once this is done, then combining them into the one sorted array. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to Ekeeda channel.